Installing ClickRanger Pro is easy. First, you'll want to download the plugin either from the registration email you received or from the ClickRanger Pro website in your account area. To install the plugin, go to your website's dashboard, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. On the plugin screen, click Upload Plugin button and then click on Choose File and navigate to the downloaded file. Click Install Now to install the plugin on your website. When you click Activate Plugin, it'll take you to ClickRanger Pro's welcome screen. Now's the most important step, which is to connect your site to Google Analytics. This is where the tracking is done. On the welcome screen, click the Connect to Google button. First, it's going to ask you whether or not you've already connected your site to Google Analytics. Perhaps you've already put on the JavaScript code on your website, or you're using Monster Insights or some other plugin. If you already have connected, choose Yes. If not, choose the No, and we'll walk you through the process. When you click here to authenticate to Google, it'll open up a window and ask you which account you'd like to use. Then allow the site to use Google Analytics, and it'll give you a code that you'll cut and paste into the plugin. Paste in your code, click the Authenticate button. Then you want to select which profile you want to use and which property you want to use. Click Connect. You'll see that your site is now connected to Google Analytics. The last step you'll need to take is authenticating ClickRanger Pro itself. Click on the License sub-menu item under the ClickRanger Pro menu. You can get your license either on the registration email or again from your account area on the ClickRanger Pro website. Paste in your number, click Save Changes, and then click the Activate License button. When you see the green active, you are all set, and now you're tracking like a ranger.